the last thing I would check is the pickup height. Now this again is subjective, but if you need a place to start, what I would aim for is about 2.4 mil clearance above the individual pole pieces to the underside of a string. Now, we don't measure that just straight up. We fret at the last fret and measure that height. And as we can see, we're miles under that. So just adjust the height of these just by turning the two screws. I'm going to turn them evenly. As you saw when we installed the pickup, the screw is located within a spring, so as soon as we reduce that tension, the pickups will pop up quite high. So I just want to make sure they're fairly even. And we're still considerably higher than we want to be. You might notice sometimes I'm tightening as well as loosening. I'm just trying to get the pickup level. And that's pretty close to what we're looking for. So as I said, aim for about 2.4 mil. But once you've got the guitar plugged in, just test it out. You may find you want to reduce the height or increase it, depending on your taste. Okay, so that's pretty much how we perform a final setup. From here, I'm going to plug the guitar in and just check for fret buzz and just give the guitar a final once over.